Hello guys, it's the chef doctor again, and today we have a very simple but delicious meal lined up for you. We are going to be preparing vegetable soup. So without wasting any more time, let's just get right into it. We are going to begin by boiling the water leaves to make sure that we get out all the moisture from the water leaves. And then we're going with our onions. Two medium-sized onions will just be fine, but you can put in as many as you like. And then we begin adding our ingredients. We went in with some fresh pepper, so we can see all the moisture coming out of the water leaves. Then we went in with some beef stock. So this beef stock creates a base for added flavors. And then we begin layering with our flavors. We went in with some seasoning cubes. About 2 stock cubes will just be fine. Give it a stir and then allow it to boil some more for about 5 to 10 minutes. Also went in with some salt. Went in with our proteins. We use stockfish and some dried fish for this meal. And they're quite good because they just add layers and layers of flavor to the vegetable soup. And at this point we went in with our palm oil. You can actually be more generous with the palm oil. And then we went in with crayfish, ground crayfish. You can also be as generous as you like with the crayfish. Went in with some dry pepper too. So we just stirred that and allowed that to boil for about 5 to 10 minutes. Added our beef. And when you begin to see this, you know that the soup is almost done. We went in with some periwinkles before finally adding our Ugwu leaves. Now, these Ugwu leaves would soak up the extra water or soak up the extra liquid in the vegetable soup and make it more make it thicker in consistency so it doesn't appear too watery. And at this point the soup is almost done. You just stir, left it on the fire for about 5 to 10 more minutes and we're ready. Very simple, very delicious, ready to eat.